Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for Duolingo, but before that don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Duolingo app, and here we can either select sign in to sign into our account, or tap on get started to create a new account. Let's tap on get started. Now we have a few steps to complete, like this. Duo will guide us through these questions, which we can answer, and let's just walk through this. It is going to gather some data about us and our preferences for language learning, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.